let's turn this cute little vintage sled into an even cuter vintage sled with the barbiecore trend of hot pink. All right, so first I'm going to take all of the nuts off of this piece. This is just a little vintage wooden snow sled that I found at a flea market, and you guys, you can find these on Facebook Marketplace, pretty much all of the antique stores, super affordable. I think this one ran me about 20 bucks. And then you're going to take, this is the secret weapon, you're going to take the Rust-Oleum Ultra 2-time cover and spray it in even strokes. That's kind of the key here, guys, because we're going to do an ombre pattern. And the first color I'm using is this cotton candy pink, and I'm just holding it at least 14 inches away from the wooden part of the sled. I'm going ahead and covering up the little bolts there. I didn't mind it being covered because it's just easier that way. And they were painted originally over as well. So I'm making sure to get all of the edges, and I just decided that the first coat needs to be all over the entire sled. Once I did that, I took the second color, which is this berry pink, and I lightly lifted the spray can as I got towards the middle. Now I did a solid coat at the bottom, but as I got towards the up part, I stopped it about a third of the way up, and you can see the pattern there is beautiful, absolutely beautiful. And these are the two colors I used again, cotton candy and berry pink. And you can kind of see where if you lift the can up, you're going to have a lighter spray at the top. Now, the final coat is this magenta. I absolutely love how this brings all three colors together. And you're going to lightly apply it to the bottom of the sled, the bottom third, and use that same technique as you get towards the center. You're going to lift it lightly as you spray. And you might want to practice this like I did on a piece of scrap cardboard first, so that you can make sure that you get it right. But see how you can see the three distinct colors? Made sure to wrap it around each side as well. But it is so, so, so pretty. I absolutely love this. Now, this trend is with fashion and home decor. The sky's the limit with what all you can do with this barbiecore color trend. I love the pops of hot pink at my house, especially for the holidays, because this is the time you can get away with just about anything creative. I absolutely love it. So here is another view of all three colors. You've got that cotton candy pink, berry pink, and magenta. And they are all three Painter's Touch 2x Ultra Cover from Rust-Oleum, which makes them a one-shot process. No primer needed. I love that part. So to cute up my sled, I went ahead and grabbed these wooden skates from Target Dollar Spot. And they're super cute the way they are. They were had this faux galvanized metal on them and this jute twine. And I removed the jute twine laces because they're pretty cute, but I wanted to replace it with this Dollar Tree hot pink and white gingham check ribbon to kind of follow along with that barbiecore theme. I used one of those embossing tools from the Dollar Tree to kind of help me poke the ribbon through the lace holes, and it worked like a charm. And I just laced the little skates back up using this ribbon, and I think it made the world of difference. When I get to the top here, I decided to add one of my little zip tie bows. So I just simply took the ribbon, made a little zip tie bow, and it really cuted it up. To make this stay, I just, like you're seeing here, I trimmed it and hot glued it to the back. This is the zip tie bow. These are so easy to make, you guys, and I'm obsessed with them. I have a bow obsessed group. If you are interested, it's free. I will link it in the description box below. What do you think? Do you like that little bow there? Do you like the jute better or the gingham ribbon better? Let me know in the comments below so I know for future kind of what you guys' taste is. If you like videos like this, I would super appreciate it if you would subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell for future videos. Now, this is a really fun one. I will link the video below that shows you how to make this homemade bow maker. Super easy, just takes 2 supplies from the Dollar Tree. I made a fun, quick and easy burlap ribbon bow with pink burlap from the Dollar Tree. This is going to again reinforce our barbiecore theme with the hot pink again. I just use a zip tie to secure the bow in the center. It's so that little maker makes it so easy. You're going to definitely want to check out that video if you haven't. And then to zhuzh up the bow a little more, I'm adding a little piece of bling, which I will also link below in the comments. This bling I use on a lot of my bows. This is from a snowflake pack that is super fun for the holidays. It comes with all these different size snowflakes. So I just grabbed one that I thought kind of would work the best for this size bow. And look at that. I just hot glued it to the center to give it that little touch of Winter Wonderland look. Super easy. And then last but not least, to finish out our sled, I decided to add this fun stencil, which I will also link below. This is one of my Magnolia stencils. It's Baby, It's Cold Outside, and it has all of these snowflakes, which kind of brings together the Winter Wonderland theme here. And I just applied this brilliant white chalk paste all over the openings on the mesh stencil. This stencil is so darling, and it makes this sled so cute. I don't have to be amazing at handwriting or anything like that with the use of these stencils because it's all done for me. If I can use a squeegee and just drag the chalk paste over the stencil, I can peel and reveal the most gorgeous design onto my piece. Let me know if you've used stencils before, and if you haven't, if you're interested in trying them out. I would super love to help you get started with these. They are so easy to make any piece of decor look store-bought. So this is the fun part. It's peel, squeal, and reveal. And when I peel this up, I need you to squeal. That's hitting that thumbs up button on the video, saying how much you like this video. And then I'm gonna reveal the design, and you guys are gonna be like, oh my word, that looks amazing. I was trying to be careful here. I didn't want to take off any of the paint or stretch my stencil a lot. Look at that. Oh my gosh, Baby, It's Cold Outside with the mittens. So cute. This is how the entire sled turned out. I'm so pleased. Look at those 3 Rust-Oleum colors together. Ombre effect is going on. I love the little hanging ice skates there, and the bow just tops it off. The stencil really gives it a conversational appeal, and I have this right out front of my entryway so that when all the hardworking people are delivering packages to me, they can get a cute little look at this winter sled. I added some Dollar Tree trees and snowflakes along this little ledge here where the sled is. And I think it just turned out beautiful. Let me know in the comments below what you think, and if your wheels are turning about some Winter Wonderland decor that you can add to your space. Don't forget to like and subscribe, hit that notification bell if you want more videos like these, and let me know in the comments below what you are decorating for Christmas. What color scheme? Are you using classical reds and greens? Are you going bold with blues and purples? Or are you trying out something new and fun like this hot pink barbiecore trend? I absolutely love it. Oh, I love that snowflake in that bow as well. You guys, anybody can do this. I'm loving the way that those little trees make this look like a complete Winter Wonderland. Those little bling snowflakes really pop and bring out the snowflakes in the stencil and the snowflake on the bow. And the whole thing just comes together as one big Winter Wonderland show. And I want to take a second to just thank you so much for being here, my friend. You're amazing, and Merry Christmas.